The Civil Visualization extension, which includes Dynamite VSP for 3ds Max Design and the Dynamite VSP Exporter for AutoCAD Civil 3D, is designed to help make the process of visualizing civil engineering projects quick and easy. Dynamite VSP helps streamline the process of passing data from AutoCAD Civil 3D to 3ds Max Design 2010 or 2011. Dynamite VSP also greatly eases the process of populating a scene with further 3D content, enabling virtually anyone working on a civil engineering design to produce compelling visualizations of projects large and small. Let's have a look at this project, which is an alignment road linking a roundabout to an existing estate road. This project was designed using the corridor tools in AutoCAD Civil 3D. The visualization does not need to start when the project is complete, since Dynamite VSP is able to react to frequent design changes made in AutoCAD Civil 3D. You will find the Dynamite VSP Exporter under the Toolbox menu, Subscription Extension Manager. Using Dynamite VSP Exporter for AutoCAD Civil 3D will allow you to export your Civil 3D data to a .vsp 3D format. The user customizable configuration file provides full control over the way that Dynamite VSP materials are assigned to the individual components from an AutoCAD Civil 3D model. 3D models created in AutoCAD Civil 3D will be leveraged for production of high-quality visualization in 3ds Max Design. While running the Civil Visualization extension, which includes Dynamite VSP for 3ds Max Design, you will notice an extra menu in the main menu bar. This menu will give you access to all the tools needed for your civil visualization, including a Civil 3D Explorer window that you can easily dock on the left side by double-clicking on the header. The Dynamite VSP Civil Explorer panel acts as the primary focal point of Dynamite VSP by providing access to almost every Dynamite VSP command through a combination of context-sensitive rollouts and right-click menus. For example, you're able to access the Import menu where you will point to the .vsp 3D and choose what components to import. Materials are assigned and managed automatically during the import process, while a style and template-driven approach enables almost complete automation of the process of populating the scene with 3D contents. The product also enables geo-referenced orthographic photography to be draped over imported AutoCAD Civil 3D surfaces. Once the import is completed, the Dynamite VSP Explorer window will provide a near-instant snapshot of the scene contents. It is also in this window that you will be able to adjust your parametric object and fine-tune the look of your visualization. The Dynamite VSP Explorer window also exposes selected 3ds Max design functions in a more accessible and civil engineering-oriented manner, including creation of daylight systems, settings for exposure control, indirect illumination, lights, and fog. Applied content in Dynamite VSP retains a dependency on the paths of imported alignments and feature lines from AutoCAD Civil 3D. This means that as the project evolves and highway alignments and other details are refined in AutoCAD Civil 3D, the visualization adapts to those changes. Here, I will re-export my update from AutoCAD Civil 3D. From 3ds Max Design, while looking in the Import Manager window, I receive visual clues that my imported object needs to be updated. While receiving the updates of my corridor, all content would automatically be updated as well to follow the new road alignment changes. Dynamite VSP is able to react to frequent design changes in AutoCAD Civil 3D. This opens the potential for visualization to become an integral part of the design process, enabling civil visualizations created in Autodesk 3ds Max Design to evolve in tandem with design models created in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Much of the normal workflow in Dynamite VSP is template or style driven, which enables repetitive tasks that would otherwise be labor intensive in 3ds Max design to be almost entirely automated. Therefore, applying rail objects, bridge structures, road markings, buildings, and objects such as trees, road furniture, signs, and cameras is almost automatic. The geometry for these placed objects is derived from a customizable object library in Dynamite VSP, which features vehicles, trees, cameras, road signs, and other items such as street furniture. These object libraries are stored within a localized and fully customizable country resource kit, which forms part of the standard Dynamite VSP installation. You also have great options for lofted structural elements such as bridges, tunnels, retaining walls, and noise barriers to be swept along imported AutoCAD Civil 3D feature lines. The production of civil engineering high-quality visualizations is no longer a complex and time-consuming task. With Dynamite VSP for 3ds Max design, you can evaluate in the early stage of your design the environmental and visual impact of projects. Conveying your design intent accurately and realistically using the Civil Visualization extension can help remove obstacles and prevent objections as you move throughout the public approval process.